Hi everyone. So this is the fourth video of the SQL 50 series, and today we are solving immediate food delivery question. So yeah, let's get into it. Um, so we have to work with just one table here, which is a delivery table, and we can see that we have four columns in the delivery table. The delivery ID here is the primary key, and this table, it holds information about the food delivery to customers that make orders at some date, which is our order date, and the customer who places the order. And we also have a customer preference delivery date, which could be the same date as your order date, or it could be after your order date. Okay. And it says if the customer's preferred delivery date is same as the order date, then that order will is an immediate order, otherwise it's called a scheduled order. Okay. And then the first order of the customer is the order with the earliest order date, right? And it is guaranteed that a customer has precisely one first order. Okay. So now what we have to do is we have to write a solution to find the percentage of immediate orders in their first orders. Okay. And we have to round it to two decimal places. Okay. Let's also take a look at the data. So this is our table, and we have delivery IDs, customer IDs, some order date, preferred date. And if we look at the first row here, this one is a scheduled order because the order date and the preferred delivery date is different, and the second one seems like an immediate order. Okay. Right, so let's write down what all we need. So first, starting with the output, uh, for this solution we need only one column for the output, which would be the percentage of immediate orders in first order, right? And how do we find the percentage of immediate orders in first order? We'll first need to find the first order for all customers, and we also need to find the immediate orders in first order for all customers, and then we can show the percentage, and we need to round the result to two decimal places, right? Okay, so this is all that we need for this problem. Let's start writing the query. So we select star from delivery, and I need, so first we'll just all step by step. So first we'll try to find out the first order for all customers. So I'll just write customer ID and then their order date, and then in order to find the first order for each customer, what we can do is we can rank the orders based on, I'll explain. So we will partition by customer. We'll group the data because we need a first order for each customer. So we are grouping the data by customer, and we will order it by order date because we need the first order. Okay, and as rank, just any name, yeah. So what is happening here is that we are when we are doing partition by customer ID, what we are doing is essentially just grouping the data by customer ID, so that the rank, it will be calculated separately for each customer. And with order by order date, we within each customer, the order date, it will the each order, it will be sorted, it will be sorted by order date. Okay, I think yes. So within each customer, the orders will be ranked by their order date, and since the default is ascending, so for every first order we'll get a rank 1 for each customer. And let's just run this and see if what we are expecting. Yes, so for each, like, so rank is calculated for each customer here separately, like we see for 2 1 2 1 2, and then within that each partition, that is this partition, we see it's the rank is given based on the order date. So we have, for the first order we have rank 1, and for the second order we have rank 2. If there would have been a third, it will be given 3. Okay, so this is what, because using this query we are able to find out our first orders, because we can just filter by rank and we'll have our first order for each customer, but we cannot do it in a single query. So I'll just put it in city with any name, customer delivery as, okay. If I just select star from cust delivery here, where my rank is 1, yep. So you see, so now we have all the first order for each customer. So that is the first thing that we needed to get to our final output. And now the second part of the query is to find the immediate orders in our first orders. Now we have, so with this query we are getting our first orders. Now we need to find out the immediate orders that we can get by writing a case statement, because we know that immediate orders are where the order date and our preferred date is same. So we can write a statement like case when our order date is equal to our customer preference date. Then and since I need a count, I can see sum else 0 and end the statement. I'll have it immediate order. Okay, just let's check the query if it's working. Okay, I did not, we need to, because we did not mention this column here. Let's put it, and yeah, so we see that there are 2 immediate orders, and which means, okay, so cool. So we know that we have 2 immediate orders in our first orders. Now to finally get our output, so what we can do is, to get the percentage of immediate orders in our first orders, we will divide our immediate orders by total number of orders, which we can get by simply just counting the number of rows in this query, which is we can do by customer ID. So I have a count of customer ID. I'll just give it the name as, this is our output. I'll just copy the name from here, and since we need the percentage, I need to 100, and just to make it a decimal, just run it, and this is accepted. Yep. So and I'll just submit it. Okay, we did not round, so yeah, don't miss. So we didn't I just missed this, the last thing, that we have to round the result to 2 decimal places. I'll just simply do round and it to 2 decimal places, run it and submit it. Yep, so it's accepted. Yep, so what we did is we just broke down the query into 2 different parts. So first we got the first order for every customer. After we had it, we just queried only the first orders, and then we found out the immediate orders in that first order and just calculated the percentage. It was as simple as that. And finally we rounded the results to 2 decimal places. Yes, that's it for this video. Thank you.